Good morning, guys. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me all right. I am not streaming from the house today, so I have no idea whether we're going to have a good connection. Hope we do. I'm going to check the YouTube stats here to make sure that we are okay. So far, it looks fine. Hoping we are okay for the rest of the day. Sorry if you guys are just checking me out right now for the first time and you're noticing that it's a little bit later than usual, but we had an internet outage at my house yesterday. I was hoping to be corrected same day, but it looks like we're not going to have that fixed until later on this afternoon. So hopefully we are back to our studio tomorrow, but today you're going to have to just kind of deal with the little setback we have here. But let's go ahead and jump on our charts and see what we're cooking with today. I will try to keep an eye on everything, guys. It's going to be a little difficult here to do it with, to keep an eye on your chats, but I will do my best. I'm going to try to see if we can do it all. So just bear with me today. Good morning, Armana. Armana, if you could do me a favor, can you post in the chat our Discord link and I'll pin it. I appreciate it, brother. All right, so let's see what the market is doing. I've already outlined here my major levels. Let's go ahead and share that with you guys right now. So we have this 30-minute chart here. On the 30-minute, we can look to see where we have some points of interest. We have our overnight high right around here. Overnight high after 6 p.m. yesterday. Overnight high is right here at 20,650s. And then we have our also yesterday's close around the same place. So that's going to be a very strong level above us. Right now we have our overnight lows. We're kind of trailing them right now. Overnight lows here. Overnight lows look to be right here, 20,200. We have yesterday's low at 20,219. And 20,297 as an overnight low, or as of just a recent low right now. We have a significant low at 20,012, and we've got that 20,000 level that we have to obviously keep our eye on. Does the market want 20,000? Quite possibly. It quite possibly does. We can see here that we did get on a 30-minute chart. We did get a little bit of a negative, or I should say a bearish divergence here last night, overnight, and then we had this drop, pretty nasty drop. So right now we're looking for a bullish divergence, which we're kind of putting in right now at the moment. If we can get a pop to the upside. Right now, there's nothing that I'd like to trade just yet. I'm just trying to make sense of this market. We do have our daily open sitting at 20,600. Yesterday's low at 20,400. Both VWAPs, the anchored VWAP and the regular VWAP, are meeting right here at 20,434. So keep all those levels in mind, guys, for today. Keep all those levels in mind. So we could pop pretty hard. Let's see if we can take a look at our ATR. ATR right now is sitting at 23. For the pre-market, that's pretty high, but we'll take it. It's better than 60. It's better than 60, right? So let's see if we can make some money in this market today. Just check out my stats real quick. Looks like we're okay. Mike Clay, what's up, brother? Yeah, I need a Starlink phone. Yeah, I'm going to need that one day. Good morning, Makaya. Yeah, sorry, guys. I'm not in my studio today, so it's going to be a little bit difficult to do everything today, but we'll try our best. Running this from the laptop. All right. Good news is that I tend to trade a little better on my laptop anyway. It's the weirdest thing ever, but I tend to trade better. Maybe I can open up the stream here on my phone. That way I can keep track of your comments. That would be pretty cool. Yeah, I'll do that. Let me see if I can do that on Studio. Content. Live. Just give me a moment. See if I can get. Guess I can't do it on Studio. That's weird. All right, I'll just watch it here. See if I can turn the volume off from this. Don't need my headphones, so I'll turn this off. All right, we have a little dump right now. All right, volume's off. I'll keep your eye on your comments here. And we're off to the races here. It looks like we are getting more of a move to the downside, which is something that I knew was gonna most likely happen here. So our 12-minute right now is putting in a very big delta candle here, the highest one of this morning. The 3-minute here is also doing the same. This was a nice move down. We're trying to get the bulls here a little aggressive here by showing a possible bounce. And they usually do that. They try to chop these bulls and then just dump it down harder on them. Try to demoralize the bulls, and then they rip it back up after the bulls have been demoralized. So we'll wait around and we'll just be patient. We have a couple of accounts that we need to trade today. We have our live account, we have our Tradefy evals, and then we have our Bionox master account. So we're going to try to have a balance between these, take only the best trades. Be careful though, because after having some good days, sometimes you tend to be a little reckless. So I'm going to be extra careful because I don't want to give back the gains we've made the last few days. Something I'm trying to stay away from is giving back gains. So there's this phenomenon that I learned about when I used to play soccer in high school. And our coach used to tell us that there's this thing. It's a psychological issue that humans have. When, for instance, I'm going to give you the example. So we had a game once that went into penalty kicks, and it was crazy. It was a really crazy game. So I went to penalty kicks, and we had a really good goalie. So our goalie made one of the craziest saves I've ever seen. Like just amazing, like dive like from a movie save. It was nuts. So what he said was, be careful whenever you do something that's extraordinary or great. Because what happens is a lot of times you can't focus on what's happening next because you're still thinking about what happened last. Because your mind is so preoccupied and is so consumed about what you just did that you stop thinking about what's coming next. So he said, watch, the goalie just made an amazing save, but he's probably going to mess up on the next few because he's still so like amped and pumped about what he just did. So whenever you do something, that's the most dangerous time to actually, when you do something great, that's actually the most dangerous time to actually screw up and mess things up. So I kind of agree. I've seen that happen in myself where like you do something awesome, you do something great, and then you tend to give things back. You tend to give back some of the gains because you're so like on cloud 9 about, oh, I can't do no wrong. Good morning, Hermazi. Hermes, sorry about it. Yeah, you tend to give a lot of that back because you're like, oh yeah, I'm so pumped, I could do no wrong, I'm trading great, I'm on fire. And sometimes that may serve you, but sometimes that might give you some exuberance that you don't need, a hubris, I should say. And you tend to fly too close to the sun and you get burned, so it could be pretty ugly. So the market is open, guys. I'm sorry, I didn't make you aware of that. The market is open. I'm probably not going to be taking a trade for the first 15 minutes or so because I'm late to the charts, number one. I don't have my groove yet with the charts, and I want to be a little cautious here. But I'll warn you guys, the ATR is probably going to spike. So be careful with your ATR and your, well, not your ATR, but your ATR strategy. Be careful with how much you're putting on the line here. Your stops, be careful with your sizing. I don't know why I can't open my ATR right now. So we're getting a bit of a move back up, which is nice. Careful here. Be very careful, guys. I'm trying to see what, can't open this, okay. ATR spiking up to about 28 right now in the 3-minute. Check out the 30-minute here. 30-minute is on the left, and the 1-minute is on my right. So the 30-minute put in a big anchor as well. So I'm not going to be looking for any longs at the moment right now because it looks like when you put in something this strong on Delta, it just opened up too. This candle just opened up. We're probably going to be getting a lot more downside because of it. Here's the 1-minute. 1-minute is kind of setting up to look a little bullish. So if anybody's looking for a scalp, maybe you can scalp the 1-minute back up to the overnight lows. But I don't trust this move much higher than that. I really don't. So I'd probably be looking for some shorts around the overnight lows, possibly maybe even the 320s. That's what I would be doing. I'm not trying to influence you guys at all, believe me. And we are going to be putting in a bit of a higher high here on the momentum. Oh no, we lost our connection. We lost our connection. We're back on the 3-minute though. Yeah, this is very frustrating, guys. I'll tell you, my neighbors had their tree cut down yesterday. And because they did, the guys who were cutting the tree down, the limbs from the tree fell on our internet box. Our internet boxes in Florida are on our front lawns. And yeah, so that caused our internet to go out. Thank God it was after the stream yesterday. But immediately after I saw that the internet went out, I went outside. I'm like, these guys aren't even protecting anything underneath where these limbs are falling. So my wife got a picture. You know, obviously, if they try to charge us for repairing our internet, you know, I don't want to blame the neighbors, but it's definitely the fault of the contractors who are working on the trees. Very irresponsible of them. 3,600 on a day, says Micaiah. Good for you, brother. This guy's always done early. I like how efficient he is. All right, we got that 1 minute back. All right, that 1 minute's still looking pretty bullish, like I mentioned earlier. We make it back to the overnight lows here. That's a nice little bounce we got. Yeah, we are getting, our internet is not the best, not very good looking. Yeah, let's look at this 3 minute. I still like the possible move down. I'm not taking any trades yet, but just putting it out there. Just putting it out there. Ultimately, the longs might get their way again today, but I don't think it's ready yet. Massive morning, beautiful 32.24, says Mike Light. Good for you, brother. Good for you. I don't know why my CVD is not working here. Looks like it's because of the internet. See if we could fix that. Ay, ay, ay. This is not bueno. No bueno. Still says we have excellent connection. I don't believe that. Okay. See if we can fix this. Where's our delta? There's our delta. Yeah, this is going to be a fun day of trading. I do have another place where I could go to trade from, which is one of my rental properties, but we have guests there today, so next best place was the library. Got a little private room here at the library, the VIP at the library. Yeah. Might be interested in that 320 level. We'll see. Give it a minute. That officially makes this week the most received in a single week. 10K payouts in a week. That's great, Makai. That was great, brother. I'm really happy for you, man. I'm really happy for you. I love hearing wins like that. All right, we're approaching that 320 level soon. If we get to 320, we could have a little resistance, or maybe she wants to even pop up to the 370, 372s. There could be some liquidity there, obviously, as well. So we're stuck in the mud. Slow internet. Is the price stuck for everybody or just for me? Oh, there we go. That's more like it. The internet's back. These are not ideal trading conditions, that I will say. Not ideal at all. Look at this. This is horrible. This is really bad. I can't even get a speed test going right now. So bad. There we go. All right, now we got that move back down. This is the short I was looking for. This is gonna be so fun. Oh yeah, stream's bitrate is lower than recommended. Yeah, we're not doing so well here, huh? Is the stream choppy on your end, guys? Let me know if the stream is choppy on your end. Once in a while you get chopped. Okay. Thank you, OG. I appreciate that. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, I think if this internet doesn't get any better, I might not be able to trade from here. So I keep getting my delta keeps disappearing. Yeah, this is no bueno. I'm almost scared to take a trade. Was it the internet might freeze on me and I can't put a stop loss in or something? This is pretty bad. There we go. Got it back. Yeah, we might get a move lower here, guys. I'm still thinking we go lower because we put in a really big delta spike here on our 30-minute and the 12-minute. Usually that gives us a little bit more of a push down. We are getting a little bit of a pop here on the 1-minute and the 3-minute. Kind of what I expected from here. Bang. We got that. But here, we did put in another delta candle here, which gives you like a little trap. It gives like, puts in like a little trap. So we could get another pop to the upside here, but we also put in the same trap up here. So right now there is a lot of, it's going to be a lot of back and forth here for a while. This is the 1-minute, so it's pretty reliable at, at the open, because at the open we get such quick movements. You kind of have to drop down to the lower time frames to see what they're doing. What's up, Green Papaya? No trades for me today. Our power went. Oh yeah, we had like a mini hurricane last night too. Pretty mean storm happening right now. Sorry to hear that, Papaya. Better safe than sorry. Yeah, we said the 30. Yeah, I'm thinking we get more downside here. 12-minute. Yeah, they're pushing down on the 3-minute here. They're pushing down pretty good. It's being absorbed by the bears. Yeah, I appreciate you guys being here with me under these conditions. We'll make it work. We'll make it work one way or another. Yeah, I think we have more downside. We will see. Anything's possible in the short term. Let's go back to the 1-minute. I'd like to see another dip down below the 220s, maybe down into the 200s, maybe in here. Yeah, watch the possible trend line here. It's forming. Maybe if we get equal highs here with lower momentum, that could lead to another sell-off. I would say watch this box. Watch this here. Looking at 3 minute. There's an area for sure. Let's see, we put in a big candle here. We're going to defend this area. Trying to break through. Price action got stuck for me. Okay. Do we have news today? I think we might have news today. Oh, well, that loads up. Yeah, that's great. That's amazing. Guys, don't trust the internet. Don't trust the library internet. That's something I learned today. My wife tried to tell me the internet here at the library is really good. I was like, oh, okay, good. She's like, yeah, I went there. Internet's great. Doesn't seem that way. Does not seem that way at all. Yeah, watch the drop from here. Wow. Yeah, let's try to put in pretty big delta candle here. But they will be defending this area here for sure. I see it. Let's see if they push beyond the 320. Shorts here wouldn't be the worst idea. Now let's see if they take this 320 area. This is an area that I had my eye on here. Looks like Delta's coming in pretty strong, but it still would be a lower high if we get there and drop. All right, she burst through. Should keep running. All right, looks like Delta's getting a little bit stronger now. Drop down to our 1 minute. See what she's doing. Careful, guys. Oh man, this internet, come on. Cut me a break here. Give me some slack. What's up, Banks? No direction. Yeah, it says Banks. Ay, ay, ay. I've got no direction. I did take that short. My stop is at 348. Let's see if I can show you guys. I think that's my trade of 8. Yeah, you guys can see. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. She could rip higher. Could be early to this move. I just think they were going to try to defend this level, but I don't see the move. Not yet, at least. We'll go ahead and move her to break even here. Just don't like that area. We thought we could move her to break even. All right, we're good. All right, if she doesn't follow through, yeah, she's going higher. We'll wait. We'll be patient. We'll wait for a better entry signal. That did not seem to be the one. Looks like she is continuously moving still. All right, we'll sit tight. Looks like she's moving higher. Yeah, she's still a little bit strong here. I'm going to wait for a bearish divergence here on the 1 minute and possibly a trap before looking at a short. 30 minute is still looking weak. 12 minute still needs another move to the downside. And there goes my short. Should have kept it right where I had it. We're gonna wait for another little push up here to the 340s. Yeah, I'm hoping to see another move into the 320s, possibly 340s on a quick liquidity grab. Then I'd really like to move to the downside. Could be getting it now. We're going to wait to the close of this candle, see what happens here in the next one. All right, we got a new candle. Let's see if she pushes higher or lower. All right, she's pushing lower. Still would like to see one more push higher. I'd like to see a delta spike here that goes like this on this 3 minute. I'd like to see a delta spike like this. See if we can get that now. If we get that, then I'd be more interested in taking this short. Should have just held that first initial short. That would have been better. Yeah. Yeah. Now our 30 minutes looking better for the upside. Let's take it on our 3 and our 12. 12 still needs a push down. 3 minute looks like it's going to get that push down soon. Still gonna push higher. Still like this area right here. We'll see how it reacts if we can get to this area. On some low volume. All right, sellers are trying to hold the price down here on the overnight low at 294. We are looking stronger on the 30 minute here on the left hand side. This is a bearish, bullish divergence here we're getting. You see this move higher on the momentum. And we got a lower on price, so 30 minute looks great. Now we're just waiting for the 3 and the 3, the 12 and the 1 to match up. Still could have a little way to go before we get there. Let's take a look at the 3 minute right now. Looks still kind of not ready. 12 minute definitely not ready. So I'm still looking for a short somewhere, hopefully in here. Come on. Yeah, the delta's kind of died down in both directions. Let's see if they can get a quick push up here into 320s on some low delta, low volume, and that would make it look even better for a reversal. Still pushing lower. Still pushing lower. At some point you might want to give up on the shorts, right? When you get down into this area. Shorts don't look as good. We're waiting to short from here, or we're going to wait to long from a different area once we start seeing some more bullish order flow. All right, so we got that move right back into that area that I was looking at. Could be putting in that nice rejection from here. Okay, there she goes. Let's see what she does in this area. Watch that 340. This is the area I got my eye on. Let her close this candle out. 20 seconds left. Watch the moves here. It's moving very erratic. Did we ever get the news for today? Do we have news? Today is Thursday. U.S. changed job cuts, 7:30, 10 a.m. Final wholesale inventories. Nothing serious, right? Natural gas. Unemployment claims for U.S. That was at 8:30. Okay, so there's really nothing right now. We're getting strong move on this. As far as the delta, the momentum goes, this move is pretty strong. This looks like it might be sustained, a sustained up run. Could be. Delta's looking. I'm sorry. The momentum's looking good. The delta's starting to get stronger. There we go. Yeah, I didn't short that. I didn't short it. But wowzers. Ooh, man, oh, look at it. Look at her go. She's going. She's going. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Yeah, that's why you don't just blindly short or leave a limit order, because you just don't know how she's going to react at those levels. And, yeah, she reacted like that. All right, let's see what she does here at the VWAP. Missed the long, obviously. Obviously missed the long. I was looking for a little bit more push down, but, you know, she just does it the way she wants. The 12-minute, I still think it needs another move down. Don't know what she wants to do here. So she could continue running, because this is one heck of a delta bar on the 3-minute. One heck of a delta bar. What is our ATR at the moment? ATR is now at 46. Still not terrible. It's better than 60. The 30-minute looks great though. The 30-minute looks absolutely great. Like, look at this. Look at this trap right here on the 30-minute. So that's why I like longs for today, but I'm still waiting for it to come and give us one more move down. Because the 30 bleeds into the 12, it bleeds into the 3, it bleeds into the 1. So I haven't seen the trap on the 12, I haven't seen the trap on the 3. Unless this was a little mini trap, but I don't really consider that to be too trappy. So I'm still thinking we can still get a move down before going higher. Maybe we get rejected here at the VWAP. Maybe the anchored VWAP. We'll see. Anything's possible here. Yeah, man. We'll just sit tight here and wait. Ooh. Direction here. It looks like we could drop a little bit. A little bit of a... No, not yet. Probably not yet. I wouldn't take it just yet. The 1 minute is still pumping. Yeah, she still wants that anchored VWAP maybe at 440. Last week's low sitting at 460, 470, 458. Yeah, there's liquidity here too, 428. So she could possibly push it up into this area here, 440 to 460, 470. Anchored VWAP territory. Now the trap is starting to be apparent here. It's starting to look better. Let's see where she starts to lose her. Let's see where she can start to lose her momentum here. Let's see if she could tap 450. 450 to 470. She could start to squeeze here. 3 minutes still looks strong. 12 minutes is just ripping. We're gonna sit tight and wait. Sometimes that's the best thing you can do. It's just chill. Just sit tight and wait. Okay, some of you guys have taken some trades today. Hope you guys are green. Could be a little reversal here. Maybe a little small trade. Watch it. She's tempting the bears here. She's tempting the bears. She's like, "Come on, bears! I'm gonna go down. I promise. I'm gonna fall. I fall. I'm gonna go down. Just take the short. Take the short. Take the short. Come on, take it. Take it. Take it. You can do it. Come on, bears. Come on, bears. Enter the short. Enter the short, bears." Yeah, just careful, guys. She still hasn't swept 450 yet, so I'm not really trusting her until she does. 430, 440s even maybe. I think she's got a little wick left in there. A little wick to the upside possibly. Possibly a little double tap. Yeah, 30 minutes looking crazy. 30 minutes looks like she's gonna want to pump all day. Like literally looks like she wants to just go on a rocket ship to the upside. I think we'll retrace some of this, but we will probably go higher today. All right, here she goes retesting the 440s. I think she could hit 440. She's creating a little bull flag here. All right, she's on reduced volume right now. Momentum is drying up. Doesn't mean she can't still pop up above the 420s right now. Rip up a little bit of liquidity before she goes and rolls over. Careful here, guys. Careful. So she's stuck right now between the regular VWAP and the anchored VWAP that I pulled from the recent high, I think. From a recent high. Seems to be working pretty well. So this is why I like to walk, because I don't have that's why I like to walk, because I don't get sleepy when I'm walking. When I'm sitting all day, I get sleepy. It's really not good for you. All right, she's trying here. She is trying to absorb the selling pressure. Don't know if she'll be able to, but she's trying. I'd like to see her pop up above the 420s real quick. If she doesn't, she doesn't, but I think she could. Hope I'm not making you guys sleepy. Come on, baby girl, push up to those 420s. You know you want to. Come on, grab those 420s into the 440s, maybe even the 460s. Something up here. To see one more pop. Quick pop. There we go. Maybe that's it. Push those 420s. Push it, girl. Yeah, sorry guys about the internet today. It's just doing this from the library. And it seems like we're having a really bad time here. Really horrible time. My Clyde's finished for the day. Good job. Han says no trades on. I don't have any trades on either. Not at the moment. But I am looking for a short possibly. Just don't want to get the face ripped off. Not looking for getting face ripped off today. Right, she's trying to push that 420. See what checking out on 3 minute. 3 minutes looking like it's setting up that trap as well. All right, we got a little peep over the 420s. You missed the start of the trading around 2 a.m. I missed the start of the trade around 2 a.m. patiently waiting. Good for you, brother. Patience is, yeah, I'm showing you some love on that. Patience is key. Patience is definitely key in this game. That's why I'm trying to be patient here, waiting for the right setup, right signal. We are seeing a bit of a divergence here on the 1 minute. We could get a move down. I'm actually waiting for that. Tempted to take the short right now. I think I'm delayed. I think I'm massively delayed. Yeah, I was delayed. Huh, I was getting data from back here. Candles are already up here. Yeah, that sucks. That really sucks. All right, looks like we're pushing higher. 3 minute, looks like we can possibly get a rollover. If this comes down, we can get a rollover. If it keeps going higher, then no. I took that on, guys. I took that short. We'll see if I can catch it this time the right way. We'll see. Just went a little short. Nothing life-changing, just something. Alright, she's still gonna push higher. She might grind. She might grind. But she is definitely losing strength on the 1 minute. On the momentum, she's losing strength. But if I'm wrong on this, then I'll sit patient and wait a little longer. I'm just banking on this 3 minute here, reversing down, pushing into the target for me would be the lows here, 247. That would be the target for me. See if we can get it. It's currently my trade, just to show you guys what I have on. Could be wrong. I'm just watching it. Could get stopped out here. Looks like she's still strong. She still might want to push into the 480s. And if that's the case, then we'll just wait. She may have already chosen her move for the morning. It looks like we could get stopped out here. She's coming for stops. She's coming for us. She's going to squeeze. Yeah, it looks like she's squeezing here. She's pulling a bull flag and then whew, to the high. Yeah, she's going to go for it. Yeah, a lot of people are trying to short right now, so it's probably going to continue squeezing. There we go. Stopped out. All right, so we're gonna wait. We're down about 80 bucks on our trades for the day. 80 bucks on each account, 3 accounts. Let's see what she chooses to do. Next level she may want to attack is that daily open at 20,600. It's about 140 points away. If she wants to go there, she will go there. I'm just hoping we got a little reprieve before then. And it doesn't look like she may want to give it, because the 12 minute doesn't look right yet. That's why I'm waiting for the 12 minute to make something nice. 3 minute looks like it did put in a trap, but it's still not rolling over. Yeah, 3 minutes still looks strong. Three minutes still looking strong. Give me a second, guys. I'll be right back. All right, it looks like nothing has happened since we last left here. Let's see, like nothing has happened. Yeah, we're going to try the short here again. See if we can't get some kind of move. I like the divergence. I like the divergence on the 1 minute. And let's see what's going on with the 3 minute. 3 minute was due for a little correction too. I still like what I was telling you guys earlier. Still think we need a push down pretty hard on the 12. Three minute needs to put something in. I think we can get down into the 300s easily. I missed the start. Yeah, we're live every day, Darian. Today was a little bit of a hiccup because I lost the internet. I lost the internet today, so I'm at the library, having to refresh your site every few minutes. LOL, gambling monkey. Is that what you think I am, a gambling monkey? Maybe I am. I'm just that kind of guy. I'm a gambling monkey. Is my OBS working? I don't even think my OBS is working. So we're in our trade. We'll go ahead and play it safe and move to break even. This is the short I was waiting for. I like to take profits. I'd like to take profits a little lower than this. I'm thinking I'll let you guys know. I'm thinking the 300s could be okay. The low 300s. Depends on what kind of a 12-minute candle we put in. If we get stopped, it's okay. I'm prepared to get stopped, because I'm waiting for the bigger move. Yeah, could get stopped. It's a possibility. Usually she does things like this when she really wants to drop. She'll go back and grab everybody's stop before actually dropping. She makes it very difficult. She makes it very difficult. I could be wrong here. She could just rip to the upside, which she might. I'll try to short again later. I still believe in the short though, because I'm looking for something here on negative delta, on the seller side of the delta that I don't see yet. When I see it, then I'll be done with my short idea. Right now, I'm still thinking shorts. I could get stopped for sure. I could get stopped here. I just don't see what I want to see yet. Yeah, she may rip shorts. She could. Yeah, she came right back up, huh? Maybe possibly just to stop me out. Who knows? Yeah, she can't leave me alone. She loves stopping me out. We could try it again, though. We could try it again. Definitely could try it again. I still like it. We'll try it again. Matter of fact, we'll try that on. Yeah, looks like she wants to stop out again. When she makes it this difficult, it means she definitely wants to give us a juicy drop. When she's collecting these many shorts, she definitely wants to give us a juicy, juicy drop. Oh, we'll be patient, guys, and wait. Patience pays. Patience pays. Check out the 3 minute. 3 minute is 3 minutes okay. Not great. It's whatever. I'll go ahead and protect the position. I've got it on my project X too, the same trade. I'll go ahead and move that to break even as well. Just to be a little on the safe side. So we have two trades on right now with Project X, Bionox, and we have it on with Tradefy. They're both right now at break even, so hopefully we don't get stopped. It's been a recurring theme here, but it happens. It's part of the game. Unfortunately, it's part of the game, guys. And if we do get stopped here, then we'll just have to wait, see what happens. Looks like we're getting stopped again. Stopped on both. Yeah, she is given a hard time here. Very hard time. Could get stopped out again. She is definitely going to drop eventually here. She is making it very difficult for the bears though. Stopped out again. At break even that time. We'll wait here, guys. I have one on right now as a short, but as a precautionary measure, but I'm not taking anything on my Project X until we can figure out what's going on here. Okay. All right, she's trying here. She's trying to move higher, but she's just getting a lot of chop here between last week's low and that 480 recent high that we put in. All right, looks like we might get stopped out. All right, we got that move higher into the 490s. Strong move. Got a lot of volume into this move to the upside. I like the 5:15 and 1 hour. The lower time frames always eat me up. I watch it from the 1 and 4 hour at entry. All right. Let's see what we get on a 3 minute. It's pretty good. Yeah, the 12 minutes looking even better for a reversal back down. We'll be patient on this. Maybe he wants to reach up to the daily open at 2600. A lot of strength coming in there. The thing is, we just don't know. I don't know when the move that I'm looking for, I don't know when it's going to be the actual one. This one was the baby one. I could have taken profits here on it, but I was waiting for the one that is going to bring us into the 300s. I know we're still going to get one that's going to bring us into the 300s, and we'll make up for it because we'll be at a higher point next time. I did protect my positions with break evens though, so that wasn't too bad of a try. Oh look, we had a 50-point reversal candle already. That's crazy. Yeah, that was gobbled up fast. Yeah, 600 could be a target it's aiming for. Five minutes left in that 12 candle. Looks like it's stuck at 500. It's getting stuck at 20,500 at the moment. Four minutes left in that 12-minute candle. 1 minute left here. Yeah, is 500 the level they want for now? Or does she want 600 still? Looks like she still wants 600. She's still looking kind of strong here. She's making that push higher. Yeah, she is squeezing those bears though. That's for sure. Let's see who's stepping in here, whether it's the bulls or the bears. Let's see either way. We've got some targets above at 600 and we got some targets below at the VWAP. Below the VWAP, we've got the overnight lows back at 300. I think that's somewhere we could go, is the overnight low. Let's see what she wants to do here. She's kind of stuck in the mud right now at 20,485. Trying to decide whether she wants to go higher or lower. I think we can make it down to those 300s if she really wants to. And she could still be squeezing bears. We'll see. We'll give her some time to play out here. Nothing 100% yet. Still nothing 100%. Still trying. $30 million was good. Yeah, she's not giving up this level. Not without a fight. She's still trying to hold this 500 level. She's trying to get back up to it. Let's see what she ultimately does. She's gonna be trying to squeeze here for a while. A lot of buying pressure. A lot of buying pressure. It looks like bulls really want to hit that 600 level before going anywhere else. All right, she's pushing a bit harder now. See where she wants to go. I still think she can push down to those 300s. We'll see. There's too many bulls in profit right now. She doesn't like it when the bulls are in anyone's in too much profits. Let's see if she can make it down to 300. Right now we're bouncing from that anchored VWAP here at 420, 421. We headed down to possibly test the regular VWAP first before maybe coming back up, or if she doesn't want to hold either one of these levels, she could come down to 300. Take out those late entry longs, usually what she likes to do. Still being held down now. She can keep pushing here. Possibly could keep pushing down into the 300s. That's where my target is, the overnight lows. She might recuperate her strength here. Back up into the 480s maybe. $30 seconds left on this 3-minute candle. We do have a lot of levels. We do have some pretty serious levels above us. But like I said, the market loves to rip liquidity. And there are plenty of bulls right now that are on profit. Which is going. Very nice move. Just grinding. Johnny Bravo, what's good, buddy? I'm back, says Austin Vegas. All right, she's pushing pretty hard now down to the VWAP. Let's see what the Delta's doing. Oh, Delta, I don't know about the Delta now. 3-minute Delta looks kind of suspect. Let's see if we can get a harder push here. I like the 1 minute. All right, let's see if she keeps pushing into the 300s. I think she can. I think she can push into these 300s. Starting to look better. Starting to look better, but not perfect just yet. But she's starting to look better. We'll see here, guys. I'm still hoping we can get down into the 300s. Still kind of optimistic that we could do that. She could even maybe go down further. Maybe we'll take a partial at the 300s, but we'll see. She did kind of, she grabbed a little liquidity right now. This was a really hard push though, so I think she'll push even harder. All right, she's still stuck here at the VWAPs. We have the anchored VWAP and the regular VWAP here that's holding it in place at the moment at the low 400s. I'm looking for a tap of the 300s. Let's see if that's possible. Not sure if we're going to get it on this move, but it's possible. She's looking like she's gathering up some strength here. She might get above the 450s. Wow, maybe not. Maybe she goes higher now. So it's pretty good here. Yeah, I think that could have been it. Could be all she wrote. Now let's see what she does here, guys. She snatched the liquidity. Let's see if that's all she wanted. And maybe she continues down, or does she go higher here? My bet is she probably goes higher here. She probably goes higher. Looks like she may want to continue reaching into the 520s, 600s. I'm looking at Nas buys all day, up 250 right now. Good for you, brother. And the longs look really good. The longs look really good. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, looks like they broke trend here. Looks like they're gonna pop higher. Looks like she's getting ready to pop higher. 30-minute looks super bullish. 1 minute looks like we wanted to just dip under the VWAP. That looks like that's all she probably wanted. Yeah, 3 minute. I don't know. 3 minute looks like she still wanted lower, but maybe not. 12 minute, I'm still not convinced on the 12, but we'll see. Yeah, looks like she's pushing higher. Yeah, it looks like she wants higher prices today. Let's see if she wants higher or lower. She's trying to get away from the, is she trying to get away from the bulls here? Does she want to drop down lower? Possibly. Possibly. Wow, she's making it very difficult to read what direction she wants to go in, isn't she? Most likely it's going to be higher. Unless she's got something in store, it's going to be higher. All right, let's see if she starts pushing down hard. Thinking she could. Bulls should take it today. Yeah, I think the Bulls will take it today. But I do think that she wants to clean up this area here around 300. I do think she wants to clean that up. That's just my idea. Doesn't mean it's right, it's just my idea. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, it's a bit of a chop fest this morning. A bit of a chop fest. A lot of just indecision. I wish I could read her a little bit better. But the only thing I see right now that I'm kind of banking on here is the low 300s. If we get that, I'll be happy. Then we can move on to our next idea. At the moment right now, I can't say. Looks like she's not done yet, huh? She's not done yet. Yeah, she's turning into a bit of a ripper here. Yeah. We'll see, man. We don't know. She might just still taking more orders here before dumping, or she might just continue straight up for today. It's really hard to say what she wants, man. Very hard to say here. Who knows, man? This is a hard one to call. If I ever had a hard one to call, it's this one. She's pumping. She's pumping. Monster chop fest here, guys. Monster chop fest. Wish I had something better to report on, but it looks like she's probably just chopping in here to possibly go higher. Looks like she's picking up some steam now. Could have been it right here. This could have been the only trap. So let's see. Next level to the upside, 20,520 possibly here. 515. That's where we've got the liquidity from the previous move. Still not. She still hasn't really kind of shown us that that's the direction she wants to go in. She's still a lot of indecision. It's hard to say. If she's really going to take over here and move higher, well, now's the time to do it if you're going to do it. It looks like she is. Yeah, wow. Yeah, that was a huge 30-minute candle. Will she make the 515? Let's see. That's what's up next. She putting in another small baby bull flag here. She's having a hard time here at 500 again. Let's see, is she gonna get a meltdown here or is she gonna pop higher? Super chop fest here. Let's see if there's any validity to this move down. Right now it looks like there's a possibility it could. Could mean something, but maybe not. This move up has been on reduced momentum, this whole move up. That's why I'm thinking that we could get a push, a flush down to the 300s. Yeah, it looks like they're just setting a bunch of traps to the downside, trying to rip this thing higher. At the moment, that's what it's appearing. Yeah, it looks like she wants 520. Yeah, these are just fake outs to get the 520 most likely. Yeah. Terrible price action today, guys. Just super choppy. Super nasty choppy action here. And it looks like she is going to rip higher. She wants 520 for sure. That's what it looks like now. Yeah, what a nasty bull flag we're putting in here. Either this is one of the longest bull flags I've seen in a while, or she's just collecting orders to dump us down to the 20,000 range. Something big's gonna happen because the longer we put in a base, the longer we can go to space, or the longer we can go down to like 0. So we'll see. We'll see which one she wants. Head and shoulders, says Denrick. It looks like a head and shoulders. Sure does. Sure does. I just don't know. I just don't know what she wants to do. She's just being so indecisive here. disgustingly indecisive. Yeah, so who's in control here? Bulls or bears? Let's see. We'll find out soon. Let's see what kind of move she puts in. This could be a good move. Let's see if this move has any possibilities of going lower. Could. It could. Let's see if we get some follow through here, guys. I still like those 300s. If we could get past 400, then we'll be good. All right, we're past 400 now. Let's see if we can break the recent lows. These recent lows need to be broken. Let's see if we can get some of that good old-fashioned dumperoni here. Come on, baby, dump this. Dump it, dump it. And she's going. Let's see, is she going to reverse here? She could reverse here. Let's wait for this 1 minute count to be over. Hoping we can get this move down here to 300. Not sure if it'll be possible. Looks like bears will suffer today, says Austin. Nudge Realm says, hey, Smooth Trader, would you know what the Bionox evolution stage rules are? Evaluations. Oh, yeah. It's 1 day pass. Yeah, it's 1 day pass, brother. 1 day pass. 1 day pass. You do have a trailing drawdown now, so be careful. All right, this could reverse from here. Just I'm trailing my stop on this move down. I still like the 300s, but I'm trailing my stop. I like the 300s because of the imbalances, but I am trailing my stop. I feel like we can get a little bit more of a correction. I could be wrong, so if I'm wrong, I'm gonna get stopped out in profit. We sort the liquidity from here. Not sure if that's all this market wanted or if it wants more. Like I said, I'm trailing it in the 40s, 440s. Hopefully that's enough room in case this market does want to go lower. Thinking to move down to the 300s is kind of conservative, but again, am I being greedy and not taking profits? It's hard to say. Very hard to say. 12 looks kind of good for a reversal. I'm gonna trail my stops a little further now. She could be giving it up here. All right, she's going a little lower. Let's see what she does here, guys. Let's see if she continues selling here. Like I said, I have my eyes set on the low threes. What's the third bounce off the 385 level? Wants to go lower than more liquidity? Yeah, I'm watching this, man. I'm watching this like a hawk. I'm watching this like a hawk, guys. Got my eyes set down in the low 300s. It's possible. Guess we don't have the internet for that. Yeah, looking at 325 as a possible target here. Not sure where we are right now because my thing is freezing. 325 is possible. See if we can get there soon. Oh no, what just happened here? Oh, we just got our trailing stop losses just hit on everything. Now she's gonna drop down to 300. Now she'll drop. Yeah, no, she's pumping now. Yeah, we just missed it. We just missed it by a couple points. We got hit trailing stop though. Our trailing stop did tap out. All right, so that sucks. We just missed it by 20 points. Just missed it by 20 points. Let's see what she does now. What a tough market to play here. That was disgusting. That was disgusting. That's the third bout. News, shaking my head. Was that news? 11:30? Is President Trump speaking? All right, either way, we made money on that. Yeah, Tashobi, what's up, brother? Yeah, we made some money on that. Not what we thought we were gonna make. We ended up obviously tapping into our trailing stops. So I'm not the happiest camper about that because we did have a lot more on. But what you gonna do, right? What you gonna do? Now she's gonna go down. Of course, now she goes down. This is the dirty trick she plays, man. These are the dirty tricks she plays. Is Trump speaking? He's supposed to. Told you bears will suffer. Well, it looks like everybody's suffering right now because on this pump right here, I'm sure a lot of bulls are going into it, and they're retracing it all the way back down again. Bulls are jumping into this. I'm sure they're getting stopped out right now. So it looks like everybody's suffering because this is a lot of chop. When the market chops like this, unless you're scalping for 10, 20, well, maybe not in this market. Maybe you're scalping for 30 points. Then you're doing good, but if you're waiting for a bigger move, everybody's suffering here. I mean, there are a lot of you guys do scalp though, so. Wow. Yeah, this sucks. As we see, we're getting lower highs. I'm sorry, we're getting lower highs here. At the same time, we're getting much lower momentum. So we'll see. We'll see what she wants to do. Can I call Trump to get a better deal on tariffs? Is that true, Austin? You should have Micaiah on live. He is a very profitable trader. Micaiah was. He was on live. What's up, Jim? Crazy, though. I'm sitting on the sidelines today. Kamal, what's up, Kamal? Is Trump speaking? He's supposed to. Yeah, he was on the other day. I just have to edit his piece and put it in our Discord. I'll do that later today. I still like shorts. I still like the shorts. It's because they're losing strength. But I'm going to wait for another setup because right now it's just like super chopville. The delta is just telling me chop, 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 chop. The 3-minute delta is telling me this could have been a possible trap, which it looks more and more like it was. This right here was a trap. Bang, trap to the upside. Now we go lower. Let's see what the 1 minute and the 30-minute are saying. Inconclusive here. I don't have anything to trade right now, except for this, the 3-minute. I don't think I want to put my stop 50 points away though. Just have to wait and see, guys. Have to wait and see. Negotiations are happening all around the world. Trump stands his ground, and the leaders come to the table. Yeah, that's definitely. Yeah, Laughter. Do you know Makai personally, or did you just meet him through Discord or through YouTube? Austin says this is a bull run. Yeah, sorry for any technical difficulties today, guys. This has not been the most ideal setting for trading or streaming. I noticed that every day he posts massive. Yeah, he does. Yeah, we had him on. He's actually very how would I say? He has a lot of experience. I think his father was even a trader. So if I'm not messing that up, but yeah, he trades really well. I'm gonna cut up that piece. I have it, and then I will share it. Yeah, this looks like a good short. Too bad it's so far away. Yeah, now it's gonna run to the 320s. Exactly where my target was. This looks like a holding pattern, guys. This looks like a massive holding pattern. And this could do you dirty if you're not careful. Haven't taken any trades on my life. And corn's popping against his Laughter. Laughter loves some corn. He loves some corn, bub. See if I notice anything here. If this is truly a demand zone and not a if this is truly a demand zone and not just some kind of manipulation, this should have some sort of reaction. If not, I was thinking 300, you know, the 300s. Who knows, though, guys? Who knows? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Oh, wait. Do I still have the info here from yesterday? I think I got to update my P&Ls. Let me see if I can do that. Yeah, it looks like I won't be able to update my P&Ls like that. Yeah, this is some bad internet. Terrible internet today, guys. I don't even know how I'm streaming right now. It's a miracle I'm able to stream right now. I can't even update my P&Ls. Yeah, this is pretty bad. You guys are just gonna have to live with my P&Ls from yesterday. I can't really do much here. Yeah, that sucks. We're getting our 320. We fought for this, man. We fought for this short so hard. We fought for this short so hard. And now it looks like it's coming in. After this stupid manipulation run here. This was just a manipulation liquidity run. Bang, grabbed the liquidity, came back down. It's just such a... and people say the markets are not manipulated. I beg to differ. I beg to differ. There are some definitely manipulators in the market. They're called market makers. And they get paid to provide liquidity, aka run your stops. Your stop order is an order. You get it? Your stop is a request for someone to fill that. So they go and they fill it. They go, you want to get stopped? All right, let me go get you. I'll go get you. No problem. Oh, that's beautiful, man. Yeah, Puglisi's is a godly man. I love that guy. Sorry you couldn't do Bible study last night, guys, because I had no internet. I couldn't do anything. Couldn't share my screen. I could have called in on my phone, but then it would have kind of been like a little awkward because we would not be able to have shared the information for our series. So we'll make up that Bible study next Wednesday. My fault. I did not expect this to happen. Yeah. What a nasty day. What a nasty day so far. $30 still looks decent. Still like the 30-minute for the longs. I do. But we're going to see how the 12 and the 3 play out first before obviously doing anything. 1 minute looks like doo-doo. Looks horrible. There's nothing to read here. Nothing to read. 3 minute looks like it's still going to continue lower. Yeah, I should have probably took profits right here. I should have known better. A lot of times I do take these profits and they end up still going more in my favor. But I'm going to show you guys a little mini trap here that I saw. I should have taken it at that point. But so many times that it keeps running after I think. I'm not in my office, man. I'm at the library. I lost my internet. I lost my internet yesterday because the neighbors were cutting the trees down. And they hit my internet. What's up, Puglisi? What's a Tradezella? Oh, you mean traders? Yeah, so I can't walk. I couldn't bring my walking pad to the library. My internet's so bad right now, guys. It's not even funny. I'm surprised I'm even streaming right now. This is like a miracle. I can't even stream. And as you can see, all my indicators have gone blank right now. I have to close this out. I think this is robbing my internet. That's robbing my internet. You guys got a sneak peek there. Lost my internet. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I probably should not be trading right now. This is so bad. I think Top Step cursed me after I made fun of them yesterday. Yeah, stop loss took my internet too. I think Green Papaya has a bad internet today too. He got a hurricane now. The library does have computers for everyone. Great. Yeah, the library does have computers, but I can't stream from one of their computers. I'm on my laptop. If I go to one of the computers, I wouldn't be able to talk like I'm talking right now. So I rented a little private room. I thought I was going to have good internet here because my wife set me up, told me, yeah, they have good internet at the library. So I came here, and their internet is worse than probably using my cell phone. Yeah, you would think, right, in 2025, you would have like fast internet at the library. You know, we're sending billions of dollars to Ukraine, but we can't get a good internet server here at the library. Come on, man. Where's this world coming to? Where's this world coming to? Like Tupac said, they got money for wars, but they can't get internet library. I really can't get better internet at the library. Something like that. We're going right to my price target, guys. We're going right to my low 300s. I had to take profit at 320, 324 before I got stopped out. Before I got stopped out at my trailing stop. That sucks. That sucks. Look at this. Manipulation at its finest. This is just, let's go grab some liquidity. Bang, right back down. Yeah, now she'll drop and she'll keep dropping and she'll keep dropping. And everyone will think, because everyone's conditioned right now to think longs, and she'll just keep dropping and she'll go under the 200. She'll go to 20,000. She might go to 20,000. You heard it here first. She collected all of these orders here. I kept telling you guys I think this is going to be a short because our momentum was dying down and we kept going higher. And it kept being so damn... I've noticed that the more it gives you a hard time to drop, the harder it gives you an ability to get short, the more it ends up dropping. Like the bigger the move ends up being. So that's why I'm like, yeah, I don't want to let go of this short. I tried this short like 3 times. And I think I was correct on it. Obviously, I was pretty well in the money. But then I got stopped out hard on this stupid run here. Even though I got stopped out in profits because I trailed it. Still was not a good look. Yeah, the library should have free Starlink for sure. Yeah, man, I can't believe those guys. I walked outside yesterday when they were chopping that tree down. And I'm looking at them like, did you guys just knock out my internet? And they're not even using a crane. They're just letting the logs fall wherever. And they're just like falling on the ground, falling on the internet box, falling everywhere. I didn't even say anything to them because they're just doing their job. They could care less about my internet. But my wife did take a picture of their truck in case we get charged for it because I'm not paying for that. I'll let you live and I'll let you work. But I'm not paying for your mistakes. I mean, we might be paying for it today in some bad trades here. Love your dedication to this channel. You go the extra mile. Yeah, man, I'm trying, dude. I'm trying to be consistent here. I was even gonna go live on my cell phone, just at least talk to you guys. Do you trade the SPY also? No, I only trade the NQ. I tried to trade other things, but I find it I need to find consistency first in the NQ before I start looking at different things. So I am starting to get my consistency, and I think that's because of more of the switch that I made to micros than anything else. I should have taken that short with a 50-point stop loss. That would have been good now, in retrospect. Yeah, we were 100 points in the money, man. I should have just taken that stupid freaking thing. We were 100 points in. Should have just taken the profits. Nah, Jim, I only trade the NQ right now. I used to trade Bitcoin a lot. Yeah, this is going to move down more. I don't see a reversal yet. Look at this internet. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. I don't even have my delta here. I've got nothing. Got nothing. I tell you guys, nothing. I'm about to start trading on my phone. How many of you guys are still hanging on here? We got 20 viewers. We got 300 views for a day like this. I'm surprised. Come on, guys. 10 likes? Give me a like at least. We're over here trying. We're trying. Let's see. We got nothing here. We're starting to get our... Still nothing there. Yeah, hopefully we get our... What's the ATR? ATR is not 47. It was high as 50. Still high, but not as high as yesterday. Yeah, I would have taken profits right now. That would have been my take profit area right here. That was my TP. That was my TP. But they needed this first. They needed this, what? 125 point retard move first. They needed that first. Just so they could dump it right back down. See if I can get our delta back here. I need my delta back, delta back, delta back. I think our 12 minutes going to get a big spike pretty soon. Let's see. The manipulation is real. Let's go. Come on, baby. Look alive out there. Is everyone's price action moving this slow? Or is it just mine? Or it's just mine? Definitely it's just mine. Yeah, this is wonderful. I don't even know if you guys are still here. Despite a QQ gap down, the market tried to fill the gap. Yeah, possibly. Looks like it's just me. Yeah, this is not holding. Oh man, I don't know if I could trade like this. I might go to the, I can't trade from there. Yeah. Yeah, this is horrible. This is not very good. What's my internet? Like nothing? Let's do a speed test, guys. My internet right now, my internet speed is 0. I am in the United States, and this is the internet at the library. It's wonderful. How does internet come and go? That is so bad. That is so bad. That is so bad. It was not that bad this morning. I think the internet off my cell phone would be better. Very slow, huh? Nice. Yeah, I didn't notice. Like in Call of Duty? Like in the Call of Duty lobby? That's hilarious. Yeah, I'm lagging hard. I'm lagging hard here. Come on, baby. It's already at the 300s? Are you kidding me? Oh, my Lord. I know you guys were thinking longs earlier, man, but this is such a douche move that they made. These market makers are douches. I wish I knew. I wish there was like some kind of a transparency. Like, yeah, Citadel was responsible for this 125-point douche move right here. The douche liquidity sweep, the douche sweep, right here. That was their move. So that way you could send them a nice message on X. We're at 277. I knew it. I knew once we got down to 3.25, I knew it was gonna keep going. I knew it was gonna keep going. This sucks, man. That really pisses me off. Yeah, Armand is on an island, and his internet's better than freaking mine at the library here in Maine, in the main part of the world. We're in Florida here. Market back to the 5-minute opening range. Man, this is something else, man. I'm so pissed off about this move. I knew I wanted to take the short. I did actually take the short again here, and I got stopped because it kept going, but whatever. Small stop. Shops tend to have good Wi-Fi when I have no internet. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll leave here and go, because it looks like I can't really do much. Yeah, I can't even see my delta anymore. That's so bad. I can't even see my delta. This is really bad. All right, this is gonna end up becoming a problem here, guys. So I probably will go try a coffee shop. Thank you for that, Publizi. Oh, there we go. We got our delta back. Just gonna give us a little pop. Yeah, this is gonna continue down still. So we're getting this kind of price action right now on the delta. We definitely need something to break through here in order to get anything. But I think she's going to move down more. She's going to push. Nice move. Nice more up 300 ticks. Have a look into Starlink. Yeah, Lafta, I may have to. Well, Starlink is it's not that I have bad internet. It's just that the neighbors decided to cut their tree down. The only time I have bad internet is when we have a hurricane. But I mean, you guys have to give me the day off if I got a hurricane in town. But Starlink, that is the goal eventually. Starlink. I'd like to set up Starlink too in Guatemala. We'll see. We'll see. Yesterday's low is right here. 216. What a rollover, man. What a rollover. So I learned something today. That they'll come back 125 points just to grab your stop loss. They will. Don't test them. They'll do it. That's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, guys. Say Bruce Almighty said, that's the way the cookie crumble. And that's the way the cookie crumbled. Sellers are absorbing here. It's a good sign of possible exhaustion coming in for the bears. Watch this level here at 230. After everything is expensive in